How to set up a stop loss and take profit OKO order on OKX. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a crucial risk management tool on the OKX exchange. How to set a stop loss and a take profit at the same time for a single trade. We'll do this using a special order type called an OKO, or one cancels the other. This is a fantastic way to automate your exit strategy. So let's get right into the steps. First, open your OKX app and navigate to the Trade tab from the bottom menu. Make sure you have selected the cryptocurrency you want to place the order for. The video uses OKB as an example. From the trading screen, ensure you are on the Sell tab. The next step is to change the order type. Tap on the order type dropdown, which likely says Limit Order by default, and select Stop Order from the list. After that, another dropdown will appear below it, usually labeled Conditional. Tap this and select OKO. You are now on the OKO order screen, which has three main fields to fill out. The TP trigger price is your take profit, which is the higher price at which you want to sell to lock in your gains. The video uses $22 as an example. The SL trigger price is your stop loss, which is the lower price at which you want to sell to prevent further losses, with the video using $17. After setting your two price targets, you just need to set the amount of the crypto you wish to sell. You can use the slider to select a percentage, like 100%. Once you've entered all the details, tap the sell button. A final confirmation box will appear summarizing your take profit and stop loss prices. Double check that everything is correct and tap confirm. After you confirm, your OKO order is live. You can see it listed not under the regular open orders tab but under the stop order tab below the chart, and that's how you can set both your profit target and your safety net in a single convenient order on OKX.